So what do we got here? Look at this. We got the beef bones and the pho is underneath. Actually, the stock is underneath. The beef bones on the top. And actually, this guy here is full of all of the amazingness that is makes up pho's taste. So what do we have, Nat?
Well, you need to pick out the bones.
Okay, well, I did.
Oh, okay.
So these are all really ready to go.
Okay.
Oh, I just propped it up there, so do that. And this is what we're left with down there. So, let's just put this over here. Oh, we got the cold brew coffee going on, so eventually that'll be ready to go. Yeah, so this here is all of the nice, some of the marrow, I guess, from the bones is in there, and some cloves are still in there. But essentially, we have all of that beautiful pho, and that the smell is just amazing. Yeah, so we have that, and this guy here is the that's that's the spring rolls. There it is, spring rolls. And this here is the rice vermicelli. These guys here are the rounds, I guess, the thinly sliced round meat, meatballs, and yeah. So and lime. Can't forget the lime. And then to top it off is all of these. So we got cilantro, we got basil, yeah, sprouts. No, not sprouts.
Yeah, bean sprouts.
Bean sprouts, yeah. And well, and this is the lime. So this is what's going to go on top of the pho. So and really cool. Check this out. Got one setting. I thought it was a 4-piece, meaning 4 of these. Bought on Amazon. Anyways, that is the pho bowl and the the pho spoon and the small little bowl. I guess we probably we use that for the spring rolls. And then for the spring rolls, we have right here Vietnamese dipping sauce, and we have some hoisin sauce to taste, and then we've got sweet fish sauce. Well, it's not really sweet. Anyways, okay, so gotta go, gotta do this. Okay, after straining this broth, look at how clear that is. You can almost see to the bottom. Anyways, it's really clear. Took all the moisture, or sorry, the fat out of it, and this is kind of like the marrow that was left in the bone. And yeah, so this is all the clear broth that is gold, liquid gold. Took us about 5 hours. So this is like the remaining amount of stuff that was left in the stock. So as soon as this is done, we'll put it over top of these, and
we need to make sure we have to reboil this.
yeah, we're gonna reboil
and
that and adjust it to taste.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do.
Fish sauce.
Yeah, salt and fish sauce. Now we're adding the meat to the rice noodles. So the ones that we want. This is the flank steak. And it's very thinly sliced, as you can see. You almost see through it.
Mm-hmm.
And that's adding hers. And the meatballs.
One. You want an extra one?
Sure. A few more meatballs. There you go. Should be good. Good. Yeah, lots of meat. All right.
Because we are making it ourselves,
Yep.
not at the restaurant.
No, exactly. And oh yeah, soy sauce. I didn't say that, but anyways, obviously, soy sauce. So we're gonna be waiting for this to boil, and when it does boil, again, we're just gonna add it to that and then garnish it.
So that's ready.
Okay, wow, it is boiling now. So now we are going to taste it. And we got the Vietnamese music going on to kind of add to the authenticity.
You want me to pour?
Yeah, please pour. Oh, this is it. Nice clear pho sauce.
See how it cooks the meat?
Oh, it cooks the meat. Oh, look at this. How nice is that?
Is that enough broth for you?
Just a bit more.
One more?
Yeah, that's good right there.
There you go.
Oh,
Then we'll...
nice. Nice.
Bowl number 2 is here.
Bowl number 2. Okay.
See the magic of broth.
The magic of the broth. Beautiful. Look at that. All that time worth the wait. There we go. Beautiful. So now we are going to, I'm gonna here add, I got the shoppa steaks, and this of course, your soup ladle. And we're gonna just add some of these guys there. Okay, a bit of basil, sprigs of basil. Sprigs of basil. There you go. Some cilantro. Some cilantro there. Just gonna add some of that. That. There we go. Cilantro. And then we've got the lime. There we are. Now, so the whole thing is you have to drink a little bit of the broth before you put anything else in it, because it's kind of like, it took that long to get it there. So before you start, messing around with the taste, to your preference, it's always kind of good to sip the broth. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, that's so good. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna place this down here, and
did you put lime?
yeah, I put all that. So now, ooh, this is gonna be so good. Oh, there's a meat. Meat wants to get in my mouth, I can tell.
Did you want some hoisin?
Yes, please throw in some hoisin. Yeah, that's good.
Like it?
Yeah. And some soy sauce, just a bit.
Oh, did you open it?
I just bought it. No, didn't open it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's neat. Look how it's packed. Neat. There you go. And I got the kikkoman, of course. Gotta have the kikkoman. Let's add a little bit of that. Oh, and I don't even know why I didn't grab some sriracha, but that is definite. I'm just going to grab some sriracha out of the fridge. There you go. So, sriracha. Can't go wrong with the Rooster brand. Hit it up with some of that. Perfect.
Oh, yum.
Oh. Okay, Nat, you're going to have to take a little bit of this video if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Well,
all right, my first time homemade pho. So let's see how this turns out. Here we go. Get some of that meat. Get a lot of those noodles. That is so good. Holy cow. That is really good. That broth is killer. Wow. And the noodles are great. And the meat is great. And let's try one of these meatballs in there. Wow. I'm all messy, but good stuff. Really, really good. So takes a little while. Well worth it. Every hour that you're waiting and smelling it, this is all worth it. So you're gonna enjoy it. Just follow the recipes that you probably find online. Anyways, that's what we did, and then that's what we got. But take your time. Don't rush it.